Anyway, this is a 65 Impala Super Sport. And I'm sure that's not the original motor in it, but anyway, it's our car show today. And here is a look at the side of it. It's a pretty car. It's a classic car. Beautiful car. And I'll show you a little bit of the inside of it. Right here. And I'm sure a lot of that is original, looks like. I didn't change too much on the inside. Notice it has cranks on the windows. You roll them up and down, which is nice because electronics today sometimes doesn't always work. But anyway, this is the car on the inside. Now I'm going to show you the back end of it. Look at them little round tail lights right there. You know. Anyway, it is a beautiful, beautiful car. Here is an old Dodge pickup. Says Dodge on the back. Has a wrench on the back for a bumper. And very nice, very nice truck. Here is the interior of it. Right there. And here is the outside. Not sure what year it is, but it's a beautiful old truck. Looks like the original bumper on the front here. And here's the motor. And here's a look at the motor. Here we have an American Motors AMX. It's got a 390 V8 and it's got a 4-speed transmission in it. And it's factory rated 315 horsepower. And it's been restored. It's a beautiful car. And here it is, the interior. And then here's a Mustang. And it's bright yellow, as you can see. And I don't know what year. There's the interior of it. Looks like they're all 2-seaters. Most of them. Here it is from a distance. And there's the motor.
Years ago, I almost bought one of these things.
And it's a beautiful car.